Hi, this is Amanda Smith, and I am responding to week 3 about how I feel about prescribing elementary students medication. And I guess with all things, it's important to consider the individual child. I mean, I know that's like the cliche that just kind of blankets everything, but I really think that it depends on what the medication is prescribed for. So, um, first of all, pausing, as a psychologist, I do not have personal opinions about prescribing medication, and that's something that parents must discuss with their pediatricians and kind of find their own way in. But personally, if you're asking me, I think for something like schizophrenia or something massively disruptive to a child's life in all areas, then absolutely. I mean, if you're going to help this child learn and cope with the daily struggles of life, then yes. If we're looking more at like ADHD or mild depression, I would typically say no. If there's other treatments or other supports that you can put into place prior to trying medication, I would absolutely go with that model. Because children's brains are still developing, they're still young, and it's so hard to tell what's an effect of the medication and what's an effect of like normal development or modifications to their disorder, or maybe bullying or social things that you may not be aware of. So I think I would hold off on all medications until it's clear that either A, nothing else is working, and I suppose and or B, that whatever the medications may be prescribed for are so life debilitating or learning debilitating that it would be worth it to try something as strong as medications. And not that there's anything against it. I just think as a parent with my own children, yes, I would medicate, but it would definitely be last resort. It wouldn't be my first trial. So, yeah, it's an individual decision, and obviously, like I said, as a school psychologist, I wouldn't press my feelings on any parent, but yeah, that's how I feel about it personally.